Today's show is based on the purity of gold. It's a brief one. I want to make all of my viewers aware about the purity of gold. On the basis of BIS hallmark, we know we buy 22 karat gold. What is it actually? Bureau of Indian Standard made a purity level of 22 karat hallmark gold or 91.6% of purity if you taunch the gold purity. So first coming to the 99.99% purity, that is 24 karat. When it's coming to 22 karat means 24 to 22 means 2 karat less purity. What does that mean? It is 2 out of 24. If you go through in percentage term, you will see the 2 into 100 divided by 24, it's coming to 91.66%. So this is the actual purity level of BIS hallmark gold. You can see the slide just after my briefing, and then we are coming to other part of the carat. After 24 we have seen 22 BIS hallmark, but we know there is other carats, that is 18 karat, 14 karat of gold purity. We will discuss hereafter. First you see the slides. Now coming to just below the 22 karat, that is 18 karat. This 18 karat gold is used when you buy a gemstone jewelry. In case of rings with stones, necklaces with stones, then you have to go through this 18 karat concept. What is that? Once again the same way you have to calculate 24 minus 18, that is coming to 6 karat less the highest purity. 6 karat less from the highest purity level. So 6 into 100 and divided by 24, and 14 karat gold also available in the market after the price hike of the raw gold price. So in case of 14 karat we have to calculate in the same way. You will see after the slide, you will see the slide after my video, that about the 14 karat it's coming to, once again, highest purity level 24 minus the 14 karat means 24 minus 14, it's coming to 8. sorry, it's coming to 10. 10 into 100 divided by 24. It's almost about 50% purity. You will see the calculation in detail after my video clipping, and you can note it down. It will be easier to understand. And one more thing, the remaining part of the purity means when you are talking about the highest purity 24 carat means 99.99. Thereafter 22, 18 and 14 there is a other metals getting mixed into the jewelry metal, jewelry gold. What are the other metals? Other metals means some amount of silver, copper and zinc etc. are mixed because to make the gold harden for the purpose of making jewelry and wearing safely. So actually the gold, raw gold is very soft kind of metal. So it's difficult to handle when you are making jewelry or wearing it. So it has been decided to make it little harder, mixing some alloy metal, all this. And now coming to the conversion from COMEX gold to MCX gold. COMEX gold means the international gold price, means suppose you see in COMEX means New York Exchange, London Metal Exchange, LME. You see the gold is trading in a different weight with a different currency. Means suppose in US gold is trading $2,000 per ounce. Means first you have to calculate the weight ounce to gram and thereafter dollar to currency, and then you have to calculate accordingly. I will showing you in the slides hereafter after my voice clips, video clips. You will see the calculation how we are getting into dollar ounce terms to rupee gram terms. So get into that.